Hello children, how are you all? Let's read our new lesson Veena's New Idea by Asha Nehemiah with your English teacher Hina Soni. Asha Nehemiah is the author of this lesson. Asha Nehemiah's books are popular with children of all ages. She writes in English and her books have been translated into several Indian languages. Asha lives in Bangalore, India. She is very talented writer, editor and also an English teacher. Some hard words and meaning so that you can read and understand lesson much better. Wounded. Wounded means hurt or injured. Lag jana. Lawn. Lawn means ground covered with green grass. Tripped. Caught his foot to something and fall down. Pounding means crushing something. Stoppers. It is a kind of cap of bottles. The main characters of our story are Veena, Mr. Sheshadri and Aunt Malu. Veena is niece of Aunt Malu. Niece means daughter of brother or sister. And Mr. Sheshadri is older brother of Aunt Malu. So let's start our lesson. Aunt Malu should have refused to try out Veena's new idea. Trying out her 9-year-old niece's ideas always landed Aunt Malu in trouble. As you know, Veena is Aunt Malu's niece and Veena always give Aunt Malu such type of ideas which always bring Aunt Malu trouble. This time also Veena is having one new idea. It was better for Aunt Malu to say no to Veena to tell her any idea. But one time Veena had got her to try the adopt a pet plan. This was a wonderful plan that found homes for wounded animals. Aunt Malu couldn't decide which of the pets she adopted gave her more trouble, the manna with the broken wing or the lame mongoose. So, this is one of the idea which Veena gave to Aunt Malu, and that idea was to adopt two pet from adopt a pet plan. Aunt Malu adopted two animals from here. See, this is a place from where you can adopt animals, but they are having one or the other problems. उनमें कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम होती थी, वुंडेड होते थे, वो हर्ट होते थे, तो आप वहां से किसी भी एनिमल को अडॉप्ट कर सकते थे. बीना की आंट ने वहां से 2 एनिमल्स को अडॉप्ट किया था. शी अडॉप्टेड 2 एनिमल्स फ्रॉम अडॉप्ट अ पेट प्लान, मैना एंड मंगूज, and both of them gave lot of problem to Aunt Malu. See what problems they gave her. The manna could copy the sounds of a telephone ringing, the doorbell buzzing and the pressure cooker whistling. So Aunt Malu kept rushing from kitchen to front door to telephone till she got so tired that she could not barely stand. Manna used to take out sound of ringing of telephone, buzzing of doorbell and whistling of pressure cooker. Aunt Malu got so confused that she thought it is real sound. So she kept on rushing from kitchen to front door and then near to telephone, and By running here and there, she got so tired that she was not even able to stand. And the mongoose wouldn't stop stealing food from their neighbor's kitchen. Even mongoose gave lot of problem to Aunt Malu. He went in neighbor's kitchen and he stole food from there. And you know how many problems these mongoose and Mana gave to Aunt Malu. The worst was the time Aunt Malu had agreed to make a pair of grass-cutting roller skates as a gift for Bina's father, Mr. Shashadri. Mr. Shashadri was Bina's father and he was older brother of Aunt Malu. Aunt Malu decided to give some gift to Beena's father, Mr. Shashadri, and Beena gave her idea to give grass cutting roller skates. Now you must be thinking, what is grass cutting roller skates? This we will see now in our next slide. He was Aunt Malu's older brother. He loved gardening and was proud of his lawn. It was the best lawn in the neighborhood. See, student, this is Mr. Shashadri and he was having a very beautiful lawn and it was the most beautiful lawn in that complete colony and he loved gardening. What happened next? Let's see. Veena had come up with the idea of fixing sharp blades onto a pair of skates. This meant that a person would be able to cut grass just by skating over it. It was an absolutely brilliant idea if it worked. So, Veena gave an idea to Aunt Malu to attach sharp blades here onto the pair of roller skate so that if anyone do skating on the grass along with skating with the blades, he can cut grass also. It may become a very good idea if that roller skates cut the grass. But what happened? Let's see. There were great excitement when the gift was put together and wrapped. But the skates were a total failure. No, it was not a very good idea. It got failed and their excitement was vanished. Why? Let's see. To begin with, Mr. Shishadri found it impossible to skate on the grass. He tripped and fell so many times that he was soon covered with cuts. He stopped trying to skate when he hit his forehead and was left with bump, which became the color and size of one of his prize-winning brinjals. See, after trying these roller skate, his leg got stuck in some or the other thing and he start falling again and again and he falls so many times that he got such a big bump. When you fell down, आपके सिर पे कुछ उठ जाता है ना, that is known as bump and it was such a big size, it is like a brinjal and his forehead was having so many cuts. When Veena tried them on, she found that she would manage to skate over the grass. But instead of cutting the grass, Veena even tried to cut the grass with the help of these skates. See, she is wearing the skates and trying to cut the grass. But what happened? Let's see in our next slide. Pulled out huge bunches of it. This left big, bold patches on Mr. Sheshadri's beautiful lawn. Mr. Sheshadri was not pleased. When, see here, when Veena was trying to cut grass with her roller skate, it took out the grass from that area along with it a big patches is also there, which destroy the complete beauty of lawn, and due to which Mr. Sheshadri was not at all pleased. That's why Aunt Malu should have been more careful when Veena entered her workroom one morning and said, I have an idea. See, now again, one day Veena entered Aunt Malu's workroom where she was working, and she told her that, Aunt, I have an idea. Aunt Malu was so busy pounding red hibiscus petals for making her herbal medicines that she didn't hear Veena. Aunt Malu was preparing some herbal medicine which is prepared with plants. She was preparing some herbal medicine, and that's why she was not able to hear what Veena said. At that time, she was crushing the petal of hibiscus. Hibiscus is a flower. Petals means patiya. Now what happened? What do you think about getting rich? Veena was a little louder. So when Aunt Malu didn't listen Veena, she spoke little bit louder and she said, Aunt, what about the idea of becoming rich? She pushed aside several tiny bottles with the cork stoppers and tall jars made of thick blue-green glass so that she could sit on the table where her aunt was working. So see here, these are the green bottles having a cork type caps, and she shifted all of them aside, and she was creating her own place to sit on the table where her aunt was working so that she can sit and then explain her aunt how to become rich. Now you want to know more about that new idea of becoming rich, and for that you have to wait for my next video. See you soon in my next video. Thank you.